Kakaalis lang po ni NBA superstar LeBron James sa bansa nitong Miyerkules, pero kasunod niyan, dumating naman ang dalawa pang NBA players na sina James Harden at Eric Gordon. Makikipagtagisan sila sa hard court sa NBA 3-on-3 basketball tournament. Narito po ang report ni Chino Trinidad.
Matapos mag-enjoy ng Miami Heat fans sa pagbisita ni LeBron James sa Pilipinas, mga tagahanga naman ng Houston Rockets at New Orleans Pelicans ang eksena. Double treat nga raw para sa mga Pinoy basketball fans ang pagbisita ng mga shooting guards na sina James Harden at Eric Gordon. Sila naman ang magpapakitang gila sa NBA 3-on-3 basketball tournament sa Mall of Asia bilang isa sa mga haligi ng Houston Rockets. Maraming namamangha sa galing ni Harden o The Beard. Siya ang third overall pick ng Oklahoma City Thunder noong 2009 NBA draft. At dahil sa kanyang all-round skills sa hardcourt, napasama siya sa Team USA noong 2012 London Olympics kasama nina LeBron James at Kevin Durant. Ang may tuturing na dream team, nag-uwi noon ng gintong medalya.
As I started getting, bigger and better, high school, going into college, I started feeling like this is my life. Basketball is what I want to do, and that's the only thing that I want to do. And no matter what it took, I was gonna be good at it. And I want to be great.
Swerte ka kayang maituturing ang palbas niyang pinaka-iingat-ingatan daw niya? Which came first, the game or the beard?
Definitely the game. The game I had it, since I was little. Just growing up in the streets, playing against my friends, and being in middle school and high school. That's when the beard started growing a little bit. Now the game and the beard is together.
Taong 2011 nang unang bubisita sa bansa si Harden para sa isang All-Star Game. Kasama niya nun ang ilan pang NBA superstars tulad nina Kobe Bryant, Kevin Durant at Derrick Rose. Noon daw niya unang nasaksihan ang pagkahumaling ng mga Pinoy sa basketball. Kaya mula noon, binalak daw ng shooting guard na bumalik sa bansa. Para naman sa shooting guard na si Eric Gordon, malaking bagay ang pagmamahal ng mga Pinoy sa pag-unlad ng basketball. Ang payo niya para sa mga gustong sumabak sa hardcourt.
It's all about doing something different than everyone else and do it consistently. This NBA is starting to get, guys are starting to get very tall and very big and it's just getting tough. The game is getting tougher and tougher in the NBA, so it's all about, what can you do better than someone else.
Hindi daw biro ang binagdaanan ni Gordon sa kanyang career. Matapos kasi ang kanyang rookie season, nagkasunod-sunod na ang kanyang injuries. Pero muling kumatok sa kanyang pagkakataon nang kunin siya ng nooy New Orleans Hornets kapalit ng super guard na si Chris Paul.
One day at a time, just try to get better and better, and look forward to the next day to get better. And now you had to take these summers to where you could really heal up and be ready for the next season.
Wala man sila sa hanay na LeBron James, Kobe Bryant at Kevin Durant pagdating sa kasikatan. Sapat na raw ang mainit na pagsalubong sa kanila ng mga fans para maramdamang naka 3 points na sila sa puso ng mga Pilipino. Chino Trinidad, GMA News.